Hello everyone, and hope you guys are going well. So today I'm gonna show you how to archive a Notion piece, and that's pretty easy. So simply open the Notion app, and in your private section, select any page. At the right side corner, you will see these three dot options, and here you can see options move to trash. So there's a problem that somehow you may delete your piece, but you want to archive your piece. So just simply scroll a little bit down. You can see this trash option. Simply tap on here, and in here you will find out all of your deleted piece. And in here you can see two options. The first one is restore, and the second one is delete from trash. And in the last, you can see pays in trash for over 30 days will be automatically deleted. So uh, all you deleted pays will be remain in here before 30 days. And you can always restore them before the date is expired. So if you simply tap on this restore option, your page will be automatically restored, as you can see. But you have to keep in mind that if the date is over more than 30, all of your page will be deleted automatically and you can't archive your page again. So that's all for today's video, and hope this video find will help you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks.